fastens the coupling, and when the signal drops, Thomas was ready. The conductor blew his whistle, answered Thomas, and started off, but the freight cars weren't ready.
Oh, they screamed. Wait, Thomas, wait.
But